Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer data to FreshBooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to transfer data to FreshBooks. Now, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel of your screen where you have dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, and of course you have reports, you have apps, you have team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Go ahead and click on items and services. Then it takes you right into this window. So transferring data to FreshBooks equally implies importing items into FreshBooks. So from the top right corner, you're going to see this option that says import items. So this for services, you can import items. You can import items, and of course you can import services. So head over to import items, and now you have this option that says upload a file to import items. So go ahead and click on the choose file, and once you do that, it's going to open up your systems folder so you can select the file that you want to choose. And once you select the file, go ahead and click open, and after clicking on open, that file is going to be imported into FreshBooks and will be added as an item. Now you can click on the services tab as well. Of course, that was set to items, so click on the services tab, and so this is services. All right, so services help you keep track of where you're spending time and can be billed to your clients. So you cannot import services because there are no files that are readily available for services, but you can definitely import items. So if you want to import, go ahead and click on items and click on import items and import your data to FreshBooks. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.